Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing so well. I hope you're great. So I did a little Q&A thing on my Instagram asking you guys what videos you wanted to see, and so many of you were like, bring back the grunge, like good old-fashioned classic EmmasRectangle messy makeup. And I was like, okay, I will do that. Seeing as that's my favorite look to do, of course I'll bring it back. So I recently received Mitchell's new palette with Beauty Bay, the Me, Myself and MMMMMITCHELL, and I opened it this morning and fell in love instantly, so I have to use it. So this is the palette. It's absolutely outrageous. I think I'm gonna stick more to the cool tones today. Comes with a big mirror. You guys know I love these warm tones, but I'm wearing blue and I feel like I wanna use this shade here. Something just super smoky, grungy, gorgeous. I'm really excited. So yeah, if you want to see my thoughts on the Mitchell palette, keep on watching. I'm just gonna pop some concealer over my lid as a base. Don't mind the fact that my foundation does not match my body. I'm doing a first impression and it was so pale that I've had to use so much cream bronzer to try and try and deepen it a little bit. It's not been as successful as I would have hoped. You're real far away. I'm gonna start with this shade here, which is Meh. It's like a really interesting, dirty camel. Almost got a bit of khaki in it. It's like a, yeah, it's a very, very grungy brown. And I'm just gonna whack this in my crease. Okay, I'm already extremely impressed with the quality of this eyeshadow. Super pigmented, wow. And also it's blending mad nice. I do think that a makeup artist like Mitchell would be extremely specific about how he wants things. He's not the type of person that strikes me as a, you make the palette and whack my name on it type person. He seems like a very hands-on guy, and I reckon he was very specific with what he wanted. I'm really gonna buff this under my eyes as well. This is just our transition shade, so you can go real heavy with this. I already love this look and I haven't even really started it yet. Gorge. Okay, I can't tell whether I wanna go, this shade here, Mardy, is really, really, really gorgeous. I feel like Moody Mitch. Okay, I'm gonna start with, I'm going in with Mardy. It's like a forest green. You know what? Let's use his mirror. Oh, wow. Oh my God, you do not need a lot of product. I'm not going back in with any more. I am just using what's on this brush. Wow, I love this shade. It's clashing with my dress. Right, buffing this in, blending it through the crease, and then Meh to blend it in. I'm now going to take Moody Mitch, which is the navy. Buff slightly tighter though on the outer corner. I'm tempted to bring this in, you know. I made these blueberry muffins yesterday, you guys, and I'm now craving one. They're actually really, really good, and I want one. I want a cup of tea and a blueberry muffin. So that's what I'm gonna do when I finish filming. You can picture me sat in full glam eating a muffin. Let's make it a halo. Halos are my absolute favorite. They look really, really cool. I'm really softening out those edges, making sure we're all smooth, really smoking it out. You know the drill. You guys aren't new here. But if you are new, please subscribe. It's easy peasy. If you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe. I hope you don't. I'm going back into the palette and I'm gonna mix Monday and Mafia to make like a super dark, cool tone brown. You want this to be smoky. I'm pulling it right in, but we're not pulling it in here. We're just keeping it on the outer. Like I'm smudging it along the lash line. See, so I'm using it like a smoky liner. Now it's time for, what's it called? Mega. Wow, okay. Oh my God, the glitter in it matches my dress perfectly. This is actually too much. Can I use it dry? Let's try it dry. This is disrespectfully gorgeous. Sorry, angles keep changing because I'm dancing with the sun here and I'm losing. I am losing the battle with the sun, so I need to move fast. Moody Mitch is going under the eyes. You barely need to use anything. I literally just tapped that. Then going back in with Meh, which was our original colour, buffing these edges out. I think I'm also going to take a little bit of Marine, which is like a white with a blue duochrome. A tiny bit of this right here is going to look so sick. And I'm actually going to carry it up over the crease as well. I'm also going to take it on my finger. I'm just going to throw on some mascara really quick. I was going to put on Mitchell's lashes with Tati lashes, but I feel like it would be a bit much. It's starting to tilt a little bit glam, so to stop that, I'm not going to wear lashes. I'm just going to put on loads of chunky mascara and then I'll be right back. Angle number 4, because this is what my entire face looks like, and now all of the makeup on the table has been revealed to you. Just ignore the mess. Those are the eyes. The eyeshadows, they were all so buttery, creamy. I'm now just taking my hula, just gonna contour the crap out of my nose. For my bronzer, I am gonna use my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, but this is in the shade Sun-Kissed. Because my foundation's too pale, I am gonna apply this over most of my face. So I'm going for a slightly lighter shade to add color. And then to contour, I'm gonna take my Hoola Caramel. To highlight, I am obsessed with this. I took this traveling with me and it's stunning. It is the Bronze and Glow mini palette from Natasha Denona, and it's got a little tiny bronzer and then a highlighter. This highlighter, it is stunning. It sits so nicely on the skin. I'm gonna spritz my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter in Summer Solstice. This is the like coconut scented one. I recently did a job with NARS on Instagram for their lipsticks and they sent me so many shades and they are all gorgeous, but I've been wearing the crap out of Dolce Vita. It's a slightly deeper nude and it's a sheer finish, so it's just such a lovely everyday lipstick. I don't want to do anything heavy, so I'm just gonna use that. Cool, I think that's the finished look. So this is my look using Mitchell's palette. There are thousands of looks that I'd like to make with this palette, so I'll definitely do more when I get home from my trip. But I hope you like this one. Would you wear it? It's such a wearable way to incorporate color because it's so kind of sultry and dark. It's colorful, but it's not like ba-bam. So yeah, I really hope you like this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down below. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. I would love it if you join our little family. If you haven't yet picked up some of my merch, it is linked down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.